Go for it. What's up?
So the first thing how you make cookies is you get 2 sticks of butter. Then here, let's put it in. The second step is you get 3/4 cups of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of sugar.
Okay.
Then after that, you get 1 egg. And after when you're done, okay, and you get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you mix it. Then after mixing it, you can stir it. And after that, you get semi-sweet. Okay. After that, you get 2 cups of flour. Then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you mix it again. Oh, and then after when you're done stirring, you get you can do semi-sweet chips or Baker's chunk milk chocolates. And then you just keep on mixing. Oh, and after when you're done stirring, and then when you're done putting the chocolates in, this is what it should be looking like. After that, you can do like 6 rolls or 4 rows of cookie dough. So here's mine. It's not really looking so good. It's okay. Okay, good. And yeah, just put this in the oven for 10 minutes. You can bake it for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so far it's looking good. So we're gonna take it out.
Look at that.
Some parts are touching. Okay. I'm gonna let it cool for like, yeah, we're just gonna let it cool for a little bit.
And then you're gonna have a taste test?
Cozy will be my taste tester.
Ooh, yummy. Okay, thanks.
Hold on, Mom. I'm gonna show. We took it out, and now we're just gonna place it on this cooling rack.
Are we able to try it now, or you have to let it cool?
Let it cool for a little bit.
Okay. It's hot. Oh, she just swoops them up like pancakes. He's gonna break them.
See if I can get to.
You know, if they were just freshly out of the oven, it would have broke. It's not.
Here, let's let
Khaleesi stiff.
Let's let Khaleesi taste one.
Can I put it on that one then?
Here. My sister is going to eat my creation.
Mmm. Good.
Is it good because it just came out of the oven?
Like.
It's warm.
It's warm.
What does it taste like?
And I can't believe it's not butter.
Good job.
Oh God, this is not gonna work at all. People, kids, we need to pray.
Are you sneezing on your cookies?
No, I'm laughing. I didn't know.
Look at this one. This one's ruffled.
Okay, that's not pretty.
It's not pretty.
It's not pretty at all.
Don't make it
Okay.
pretty.
There you go. It looks like a.
It looks really good. I really can't wait to eat it.
It looks like a flower.
Flour?
Yeah.
Let me see your flour.
There it
Okay,
is.
let's take a picture of your flour.
Wait. Let's not take a picture of it.
Let's put it in before it falls. Great job. High five. Ouch. So these are, I can't believe it's not butter, chocolate chip cookies. Yummy. Thank you, Ayden.
I'll make
Welcome.
the other